Hello everyone, welcome with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Gold had its first weekly gain in 4 and the dollar recent founder on Friday from a biggest rally in the 2 decades following, bullion to somewhat reference in standing as a safe haven. The dollar index, which paced itself against six major currencies led by the euro, sit for a third day in a row, reaching a low of a from Wednesday 20-year hike of the greenback sealed. Even the Federal Reserve official passed a Friday after another, outset rate hike to keep inflation down when the central bank meets on September 21. Gold is higher as a hectare Iran, higher in the dollar appears to have fun and have run out of steam, said Ed Moya, analysis to online trading platform Oanda. It seems Wall Street is getting comfortable with the idea of another 75 basis point rate hike by the Fed. The United States should have another significant rate hike this month to curb inflation, Fed Governor Chris Waller said Friday, with one of these most hawkish calling James Bullard suggestions a third stranger's 75 basis point in scare. The Fed has raised rate by 25 basis points in four increased price March, with back-to-back 75 basis point hikes in the June and July to curb runaway inflation. U.S. prices have been growing at around 4 decades high since last year, although the closely watched Consumer Price Index or CPI slowed to an annualized rate for 8.5% in July from a peak of 9.1% in June. The next CPI reading for August in due on September 17. The Fed target for inflation in May 2% a year in has followed in right interest rate amounts necessary to achieve that. Gold Fed could be a dead more after this next inflation report. Moya said if consumer price some in the hotter than expected gold, when the sea selling pressure target then one region a soft declaration with pricing pressure might only provide a modest boost. Higher for food. On the other hand, gold could gain more expense as a safe haven if the dollar. Rivets founder said Moya, gold is finding a home above level and the cold continue investor continue to look avoid how can central banks speak. Economists have counted that the Fed caught in a push the United States into a deep economy, with the sharp rate hikes in 4 decades saying the high-flying housing sector and one-time abolition stock market could be major victim. Preliminary estimates show the U.S. gross domestic product or GDP likely contract by 0.6% in the second quarter after a 1.6% slowdown in first quarter. To strike quarter of the GDP growth typical place an economy in recession. Rate hikes are net to cold will resist what is safe havens able. Oil company has jumped to the foreign front on the energy industry greenhouse gas reduction efforts, requesting high-profile firms to his vision of striking in big by selling access to carbon-strong development. Tim Duanka, the founder of the Tulsa Energy, Inc. decade-old offshore oil firm with fewer than 45 employees, has put together a partner of four seats to compete against multi-billion-dollar projects from Exxon, Mobilcom, and occasional purchase. The alliance have made Ducan's company one of the largest potential beneficiaries of the Biden administration climate tax and healthy care bill, the low profits tax credit and cash payment for companies that target industrial product climate-warming gases. Ducan's company is tiny compared with Exxon and additional fuels carbon. Capture a strength, which collects the inked carbon decoys, dips, upgraded, and a carefully cut and safe site for permanent storage. As a natural extension of the oil and business, he is one of the firm's competitors, said Charles Fried, the safe aggressive CCC startup Fred CO2, who left the oil and gas sector offering losing key investors to climate worries. is a forefront compared to so many other public campaigns. Fritz said. Donance has made Telos a leader among public companies in building up a carbo capture unit, said Fred, whose Fred COT has 5 projects under development. The companies have been ploughed with players by analysis. Okay, I think that's enough for me. Thanks for your watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you!